Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, I will walk you through the SAFe 6.0 implementation roadmap. We will follow the 12 steps in a clear, logical flow. Let us start with the first 6 steps, which focus on preparation and alignment. Step 1, reaching the tipping point. Leaders agree the old way is not working. Step 2, train Lean-Agile change agents, called certified safe practice consultants. Step 3, train executives, managers, and leaders in Lean-Agile leadership. Step 4, create the Lean-Agile Center of Excellence, the mission control team. Step 5, identify value streams and Agile release trains. Step 6, create the implementation plan and select the first train. Now we move to execution and expansion. Step 7, prepare for the Agile release train launch with backlogs and roles. Step 8, train teams and launch the train with KI planning. Step 9, coach the first train to make Agile real in daily work. Step 10, launch more trains and expand value streams. Step 11, extend to the portfolio with lean portfolio management. Step 12, accelerate with continuous learning and relentless improvement. Here is a quick summary of the key roles. SPCs are the coaches who teach SAFe. The Lean-Agile Center of Excellence leads the change. The Agile Release Train is the team of teams delivering value. Lean Portfolio Management decides which big initiatives get funding. That is the SAFe 6.0 implementation roadmap. Follow the steps in order. Start small with one train, learn fast, and scale with confidence. Thank you for watching.